10 people have been killed and 300 others have been injured by Typhoon Jebi in Japan, making it the worst storm to have hit the country in the past 25 years. Jebi translates as swallow in Korean and has hit some of Japan's major cities of Kyoto and Osaka, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. The typhoon was heavily impacted the aviation sector, with over 3,000 tourists stranded at the Kansai International Airport. And as airport runways remain flooded with seawater, authorities are transferring passengers en masse to the nearby Kobe airport. As of Wednesday morning, evacuation advisories have been issued for more than 1.2 million people. Typhoon Jebi comes after a slew of catastrophic weather events that have impacted Japan recently. Earlier this year, heavy rains and floods followed by record-breaking heat killed hundreds of people in the country.